One other thing that was really important for both my husband, Jerry, and I was that we would have someone that would work with us. Because when you're envisioning a project like this, it's kind of a big project. And when it comes to what functions best, people that do it every day have a lot of ideas that can be beneficial. And we have been so pleased with the team of people we've been working with because they're willing to think it through with us as to placement of grab bars or where to put this hardware or that. And that has been really a blessing to us.